veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are doing a vlog today, so it's gonna be a little bit of a day in the life of Greg and kind of what's going on. Right now I am driving from Brainerd, Minnesota down to St. Cloud. Then we'll be heading to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and all the other places in between. Running a whole bunch of errands and race car stuff. Right now we're headed to St. Cloud. We're gonna be stopping at Hyundai of St. Cloud to go see Scott Pop. I built an engine for him and I forgot to get him his flex plate, so I'm dropping that off, and then we're gonna be heading down to KGB, be dropping off some parts to them, picking up some parts, and then keep on going. But we're gonna take you along. I've got a whole bunch of stops to do today, and I've got a bunch of people we'll be talking to, so we'll introduce you to them. And if you guys like this, hey, hit that like button below. Let me know if you're liking the video like this. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because that helps and stuff.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Here we are, Scott's here at Hyundai working and dropping off his flex plate. We built him a 408 for his Mustang that put in this weekend, hopefully?
This weekend, hopefully.
Hopefully this weekend, and just give us a little bit of the build about your car and what do you do with it?
Oh, I drag race at Brainerd, do the Wednesday night deals, the muscle car series. Hopefully Greg's gonna get it to tuned up to go 1090s on motor. It's an 89 Fox body convertible. Want to see it?
And there it is there. So Scott had a 331 small block Ford in there before. He got rid of that. Now we're putting a 408 in. Ran a bunch of spray on it. Hopefully we can get into the 10s naturally aspirated and run a little bit less spray this year. So he's gonna get it in, and you guys will probably see it in a month or so on the channel again. Okay, so got to see Scott there. I'm super excited to see that engine run and how it does. We'll have it on the dyno probably in, I don't know, a month or so, maybe two. We'll get it on there. He's gonna come probably do some testing before the first May Memorial race at BIR. So maybe we'll go out and see him there for testing. Maybe he comes up and tests the weekends that we're out testing, who knows. But so now he's got his flex plate and he can go ahead and put that together. Now we're over at the Caribou right there. Yep, Caribou Coffee. I gotta grab something to eat and something to drink real quick, and then we're gonna be headed south, St. Paul Park. So gonna go down there and go see Mr. Kritsky and probably his father, Don. You guys saw them in Georgia when we were racing, so we'll catch up with them. We're gonna drop off some parts, and then we got to keep on going because we've got a bunch of stops to do today. So we are down in the gigantic metropolis of St. Paul Park, Minnesota. It's a smaller suburbish town outside of St. Paul, Minneapolis, all that. It's down by Cottage Grove. So we're going through here, and we're gonna be pulling into KGB in just a moment. Stop number 2 for the day. We're all the way down in St. Paul Park, as I was saying, at KGB. This is Mike Kritsky. You guys have seen him on our other videos down in Georgia and in Brainerd and a bunch of stuff here. This is his shop. He is working on a pretty cool engine here. He's gonna tell you a little bit about, and we'll show you some of the stuff. But Mike, tell us real quick about a little bit of what you do here at KGB, and then we'll get to that.
So here we're just kind of a small little engine shop that we're just doing kind of anything from a 300 horsepower small block to a 3,000 horsepower race engine. We can pretty much do anything except for line boring. I can do anything in-house here except for line boring. I don't do that in here. This engine right here that we're working on is actually for a customer it's going to be on a single turbo boosted application. Cool little 4.6 dual overhead cam. Kind of solved some problems that he had with the engine, crankshaft, some cam issues, things like that, and kind of just going through and freshening it up for him and gonna build a neat little turbo deal for it.
Awesome, Mikey. Well, you guys will probably see Mike a little bit more this summer when we're at the track. I know he's probably gonna come up and help on the car some more, and he's been very, crucial in helping us get the blow-through carburetor stuff figured out on the dyno last year, and helping with a lot of the stuff down there. He's making a change from the blow-through deal on his own dragster, and you're gonna be doing...
Uh-oh, sounds like I'm gonna do a twin turbo LS on Holley EFI.
Look at that. So, going away from some of that, he's gonna try to get into the EFI stuff a little bit more. We're gonna give him a little bit of help getting it set up, but you guys are gonna see something pretty cool out of the KGV shop. So continuing on, we are down in Minneapolis right now, driving to Crankshaft Supply. If you've never heard of the place, been to the place, like that, all they do, they grind cranks. They do crank stuff. They don't even balance cranks. I don't believe. They are like strictly, they do crankshafts, but they do nitriding, so they will do like the hardness deal on there where they heat it up and do heat treating and such. They actually did the crank that's in the Hemi right now. So just pulling in right now. We're gonna go and grab the crank, drop it off, and then we're going to Jobber's JPW warehouse right after that because we have to go pick up some parts for some AMC heads. So I didn't do much filming or anything inside JPW there because technically I went into the warehouse where they, get all the packages and they get everything ready to ship out, and you can pick stuff up there. And they don't do much of the sales there because the paperwork comes back there, they pull the stuff, but they do have a way of getting all that. And so they were super nice and helped me out since we were down the street, and I didn't call in my stuff. I should have. So if any of the guys from JPW watch our channel, I apologize. I'll make sure I call next time. But they were super nice about the whole thing. So now we are going to make a run back down into Minneapolis area, because I think it's actually closer to like Bloomington. I'm not quite sure, but I let the GPS tell me where to go. Last week was my birthday, and I kind of bought something for myself. So I'm going and picking that up real quick, show you guys what I got. One of those things, I kind of wanted one. I was looking, and another racer and friend had a couple and put them up for sale. So down here in Minneapolis, we stopped by and we saw Tyler Clark. There's Tyler. Hey.
Hey.
While we were down here, because I said I got something for myself for my birthday, and Tyler happened to have the electric scooter. I wanted one of these for the racetrack. When we were in Georgia and we're in Brainerd and a bunch of different places like that, we have like one golf cart and we'll have like 4, 6, 7 people in the pit. So I always feel bad when I take the golf cart to go talk to somebody or do something. Everybody's stuck there, they gotta walk. So instead of making everybody else get something else on there, I went and I got myself a scooter. So we're gonna take a look at this, take it for a quick spin. We'll definitely look at it when we get back to the shop and take it for a cruise. We'll go down to the police or the fire department that we go to. Hey everybody, so it's actually the next day. I was hurrying back to get to the shop here, and I didn't film too much last night because I started working on the race car, which you guys will see in another upcoming episode of the race car update videos. But I got the scooter out here. Let's take a look at it. It is cold today. Yesterday it was nice, it was like 50. Today it's like mid 30s, and it's starting to snow again. But here we are, got that. Now I'm gonna go take it for a quick spin. So let's go try this out and see how it goes.
Ice in my my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling